Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be talking about my PlugTech Galaxy Z Fold 4, and I want to talk about my huge savings on this phone, and I can 100% say that it was worth it now that I've been using this phone for almost a week as my daily driver. There is absolutely nothing wrong with this device. Everything is in pristine condition. This is the excellent grading from PlugTech, so they have eco-friendly, good, and excellent. Eco-friendly being it's going to be a little dinged up and scratched. Good being it's going to have a couple minor scratches, and then excellent condition means that it is it's still pre-owned, but it's going to look like a brand new device, and I can say that is most definitely the case here. So that being said, the only thing on this device is there is a small, teeny tiny little nick on the side here. It's not on the hinge itself. It is on just kind of the metal bezel right next to the screen. Again, it's pre-owned, so is what it is. It's not a huge deal. There's absolutely no scratches on the screen. There's absolutely no scratches on the back glass, and there's no scratches on the sides of the phone at all. Anything you see on there is just fingerprints and stuff from me using it for the past week. So I'm really happy in the condition that it came in. I'm actually a little bit surprised that it was this good for the price I paid for it. If you look on eBay or Swappa, these phones in this condition usually go for about $500, and then if you want excellent condition, they're asking about $6 to $7. Whether they sell for that, I'm not too sure, but that's the asking price on Swap is about $6 to $7 for a very, very good condition, excellent condition on Swappa Z Fold 4, and this is the 512 gigabyte version. So the 256 is a little bit cheaper, worth a little bit less, but the 512, you're going to be paying right around $500. Now, while you're not saving a ton of money buying it pre-owned on Plug over like Swapper or eBay, what you are getting is their 12-month warranty. So they do offer a 12-month warranty that covers basically everything, minus you breaking the phone or something you do to the phone or normal wear and tear. They do say that it covers batteries. The battery life on any of their devices sold is supposed to be 80% or higher. The battery health, I don't really have a way to check on this other than the ADB command, which I did do, and it shows it's at 99%. So the battery does seem to be great. The battery life is excellent. It will get me through a day just fine of normal use. I had a Fold 4 before. They don't have the best battery life just in general, but comparing this to when I had a brand new one, it seems to be about the same. So the battery seems to be doing pretty fine. Not worried about that. Battery replacements aren't all that expensive on this phone. You can get them done for about $100 at like Ubreak, iFix, or Samsung, depending on where you are. So not worried about that. If the battery did go to crap like in the next 6 months, I'd probably have it replaced because I really do like this phone, and for the price I paid for it, I think it is worth it to just use it for the long run, whether it's going to be the daily all the time or I'll be on the S24 Ultra. I don't know yet. The inner screen here, the main screen, excellent condition. No scratches or anything. The only thing about the main screen that I did notice, which I mentioned in my other video, is the fact that somebody took off the screen protector. I don't know if it was the previous owner. I don't know if Plug just kind of by default takes off any screen protectors on devices when they inspect them, which would make sense that they would on a regular phone. Maybe they just didn't know about this one. They're like, oh, there's a screen protector on it, take it off, let's check the actual condition of the screen. I'm assuming they would do that though, because you'd want to see the actual condition of the screen without a screen protector on it, because maybe it's damaged and the screen protector's hiding something. Maybe the screen protector's damaged and the screen's perfectly fine. They don't want to sell a device that may be misleading in its condition because there's a screen protector covering something, or the screen protector itself is damaged but the phone isn't. So they did take that off. Maybe they'll see this video or something and redo that, or maybe not take them off the foldable devices, because technically you're really not supposed to. Samsung tells you not to. That being said, I bought one on Amazon for $20 from Whitestone Dome. which is the ones I use anyway. I'll take the factory ones off a brand new fold and put those on all day long. So 20 bucks. It's got a screen protector on it now. No issues. The screen was not damaged or anything like that. Like I said, it was in perfect condition. No scratches or marks or dents or anything like that in it. So no issues there. The hinge is just fine. It did have a little bit of noise, kind of like when it fully opened, kind of like a plasticky sound. But now that I've been using the phone, that has pretty much gone away. I think the phone probably sat closed for quite a bit of time, at least a few months, because it hadn't been opened. I mean, it hadn't been updated since. I think the update was on when I got it was from August of 2023, or either June or August of 2023 was the update it was on, and I had to go through and update it and update it and update it over and over again to get to the current update. So it is on One UI 6, Android 14 now. And everything is working as it should. So if you're thinking about buying one of these devices from somewhere like Plug, I do definitely recommend it. I'm not sponsored by them. I did pay for this, but if you use code Techout at checkout, you do save $10. So I did get that set up with their brand ambassador thing after this purchase. So this wasn't sponsored or had anything to do with that, but since I'm making videos on it, I would pass the savings on you guys. So I did set that up. Code is Techout. It'll be in the description. If you want to buy anything from them, an iPhone, AirPods, Apple Watch, iPad, MacBook, or an Android device, they do have some folds left. They don't have too many right now, but they do have some S23 Ultras as well, and I think some S23s as well. But their inventory is obviously always changing because they're selling pre-owned stuff, so it's what they get from their, I think they get a lot of stuff from trade-ins and stuff like that, trade-in buybacks and auctions and that sort. But like I said, very, very good deal in my opinion, because a Fold 5 is going to run you, if you get one on sale, you can probably get one for $1,200, $1,300. But technically the price of it, $1,700, $1,800, $1,900, depending on the storage size, under $500 for the previous version. I mean, you can't beat that. It's still up to date. It still has most of the features the Fold 5 does. Processor's a little bit slower. Battery life's, I'd say, a little bit less than the Fold 5, having had that one before. But for the price you pay, if you want to get into a foldable, but you don't want to spend, $1,000 some, $1,000 plus, I think it is very, very much worth it to look into going this route and saving a lot of money doing that, getting one that's a little bit older, but still in very, very good condition. I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.